how to balance a chemical equation. Today, we'll balance the reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. Here we have lead nitrate plus potassium iodide yielding potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. First, we count the atoms of each element on both sides. On the reactant side, we have 1 lead, 2 nitrogens, 6 oxygens, 1 potassium, and 1 iodine. On the product side, 1 lead, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygens, 1 potassium, and 2 iodines. Next, we balance the equation. Balanced N and O. Next, we balance the equation. Balanced K and I. Let's verify. On both sides, 1 lead, 2 nitrogens, 6 oxygens, 2 potassiums, and 2 iodines. Our balanced equation is lead nitrate plus 2 potassium iodide yields 2 potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. Remember the steps. Count atoms, balance one element at a time, start with complex molecules, and verify.